Alrighty. Alright, there he is. We got it. Now I can get out of here. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Alright. So, there you have it. Just did that. Get you a glow rod if you don't have one. It's like simpler. You can also use a small chain to drop down. Okay, so what we did was we used our rod to go down the hole, and then we hooked up this wire to it. I pulled it up, and we're going to hook our line to it, and he's going to pull it back down. Yeah, they're tied right now. Alright. Then, now, you see that wire. Got that hooked up. We're going to pull that down, back through, and easy as pie, I should say. Hopefully you can see this because my attic's not very lit, but ready? There's our wire. And there's our new wire. Okay, here's our new switch with the neutrals together, the ground together, of course. And then we did away with this wire here, which went to our outlet. We put our constant hot at the bottom, which feeds the rest of the outlets in the room. And then our new wire right here that will feed the light, ceiling fan, whatever we put in here. I just have to buy that. But this is almost a finished product. We're going to replace this outlet because, as you can see right here, it ran off of this switch. So we terminated this wire, no longer needed. We'll replace this outlet, and then our project will pretty much be done. Alright, here is our finished product, sort of, kinda. The outlet's back in, the new one. The switch is hooked up. This is all now live, so to speak. I just have to figure out what ceiling fan or ceiling light I want and finish putting it in the box. No big deal. That will be easy. So once again, new outlet, same switch. We just capped those other two wires and hooked up the new outlet and finished running this to there. Nice center of the room, as you can kind of see.